We are at the Uranus Fudge Factory in St. Robert, Missouri. So let's go in here and check this place out and see what all the hype is about. Okay, I am currently on the way back out to the truck. How, I don't know, but Mike managed to go inside the store without his wallet. Then, well, he didn't realize until he tried to pay for the fudge that he just bought and didn't have a wallet. So I am headed out to get his wallet, go back inside, pay for this fudge, and continue to look around. So catch y'all in a little while.
Into day 3, we've made it all the way to Tucumcari, New Mexico, and we are about to go grab some dinner and a shower and get some sleep so that we can get up nice and early and start again in the morning. Lori's packing the bags right now. We have shower bags we take in with us. So I guess we'll talk to you in a little bit. Bye. Hey. Good morning. It is the morning of day 4 of the trip to Phoenix. And we are waking up and trying to get everything packed up. Lugnut is already completely awake. I don't know how he does that. Whenever he gets up, there's a switch, and when we start getting out of bed, he will look at us like he wants us to go back to bed. And then when the switch flips, bam, he's just completely wired, fully awake, ready to rock, wants to play. And come on, buddy. Hop up. Say hi to everybody. Say hello, everybody. Good morning. How are you? So we're going to get going here in just a little bit, and we're going to see how close to Phoenix we can get today. We've got 640 miles left, and let's see. Anything that you can think of that we need to mention?
Not that I know of.
All right, well, that should be it. All right, let's see how it works. Hey! It's still day 4.
Yes.
We stopped in Santa Rosa, New Mexico, filled up, cleaned windows, had breakfast. Now we're back on the road, trying to get down to the terminal in Phoenix still. So
We only have 534 miles.
yeah, what she said. So let's see. We're almost to Clients Corners. It's one of our little places we like to stop. If you're out here in New Mexico and happen to be cruising down I-40, you should check it out. I've got half my wardrobe from that place. They got great t-shirts in there.
They do. I have one of them on right now, actually.
My hat.
Yeah, your hat came from there.
JJ's hat. So,
It's a pretty awesome little place. They have a little diner in there. Just
pretty
about
good diner, yeah.
every kind of little knick-knack you could possibly imagine they have in that place. So you could drop $100 bill in there very easily.
actually not far from Albuquerque.
Right?
We've spent some time here.
Yes, we have. We've traveled this road a lot in the last, well, during,
6 months?
yeah, during June, July, and part of August. We traveled this road every day, seemed like. Pretty much every day. So we know it like the back of our hand, just about.
Yes, and the looks like tropical storm whatchamadoodle. What's
Florence?
Florence should be hitting land soon. Run. But
His sister is in North Carolina. I contacted her yesterday and she said everything was okay right now. I've texted her this morning, but still haven't heard from her. And we were just there a week and a half ago. We went through Charlotte after we left Kentucky for home time.
yes,
We went through Charlotte, so had it been a week and a half earlier, we would have been right in the middle of it.
so I'm glad we're
Luckily, we're
there.
not. We're out.
Trying to stay between the fires in California and the floods in the east. So
All right, well, we're going to go for now. Get a few more miles behind us, and we will catch back up with y'all at y'all's next stop. We'll catch y'all at y'all's next stop, at our next stop.
Okay, Friday morning, we have delivered the load and made it to the terminal. So now begins our 34-hour reset and a big old truck cleaning. Yay. So we've gone through the wash. Now we've got a little bit of paperwork and stuff we're going to take care of. And then we get to start cleaning. So apparently they're having a big shindig for Driver Appreciation Week. So we may hit that a little later. Maybe get some barbecue or something. That'd be fun. Because we really don't stop much. We stay on the road all the time, so that might be fun. We'll check it out and let you know.